Hello guys, good afternoon from Portugal. Hola, José Eutenio Novas Raspadinhas. Okay, vamos começar. Let's start. New version guys. They just changed the color, but the same. Okay, it's a matching number game. Eutenio o número 25 a 29. Y nuevas palabras sorturas. Okay, there's no bonus. Okay, let's start with this. Palabras sorturas or lucky words. Okay. Lucky words in English, guys. Palabras sorturas. Meu. M. There's no E. Okay, so there's no E, so this is the winner. 12. D-O. G. There's no E. Bis. B-I. There's no S. Okay. Guzo. Guzo. There's no G. Nada. There's no S. There's no S. There's H. So this is the winner. There's no E. No E. Boso. Voso. V. V-O. There's no S, okay. Care. Q. There's no E. Toca. Toca. T-O. C. Come on, give me A. There's no A. There's no A. There's no A. This is not a winner. Oh, meu Dios. So it's not a winner, guys. Okay. Let's go to Grande Sorte. It's a matching number game. Okay, let's go to I'm gonna use M to M, grab and gumball. Okay. Raspi aria do jugo siom o mais dos sois números por igual ao número de sorte, ganha a quantia. Ou a suma das quantias indicadas debaixo desses mesmos números. So it's a matching number in short, guys, in English. Okay, we're looking for 25, 16, 30, 12, 23, 29, 27, 22, nada. Okay, so 8 numbers and there's nothing. We're looking for 25 now. Okay, so 25 is a loser. Let's go to 26. Can I use Enjoy My World coin? We're looking for 18. I like this number. Come on, be a winner. 24, 23, 27, 22, 12, 19, 28 y 14. Nada. Okay. The odds of winning in this ticket, guys, are 1 in 4. Oh, meu Dios. Okay, 26 is a loser. Let's go to 27. Okay, gonna use Eternity Luck. It is matched with this ticket. Let's hope it's a winner. We're looking for 29, 27, 26, 21, all the 20s, but there's no 29. 30, 25, 16, 12. Oh meu Dios, nada. 27. Let's go to 28. Gonna use G-Sard's coin. We're looking for 13, 17, 18, 13. Woohoo! Winner! 26, 16, 23, 12, 13, 4. Of course. Sure is a winner. €2, sure is a winner. Okay, so I found €2, guys. Oh my Diyos, €2 is a winner. Okay. Let's hope this is a winner also. Okay, you wanna use Enjoy My World again. We're looking for 25, 23, 15, 22, 14. We're looking for 29, 25, 16, 19, of course. New tickets, new tickets, new BS. Okay. So this I spent how much I spent? I spent 13. 13, and I got back €2 as expected. Okay, eu gastei €13. Eu ganhei €2. Hoje eu dou eu dou doação para Santa Casa. Okay? Okay. Today I have only €2 win in a new version, guys. New version, old version, the same. BS. Okay. Bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Obrigada a todos.